Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Zakat tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zakat.gov.sa and press enter. You will then be taken into the official tax website for the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You can use the Google Translate to translate your language if you wish to do so. Now, once you're in the home page, you will find the login button at the top left section, which also has a lock icon alongside it. Just click on this button and now you will be taken into the login page. Go ahead and choose your appropriate tax or custom services and you will be redirected to your appropriate portal. Now, within the login page, just type in your user ID or your email address that you use to sign up for your account. Underneath it, you can then type in your password. Once you type in your password and your user ID, you can simply click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Zakat Tax Services account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password or Username option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials using your phone number or your email. And there you have it. That is how you can log in to your tax account on Zakat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.